The Grand Ganesh Mahotsav 2025 is in full swing at Shree Umiya Parivar, Edison, running through September 6th. Devotees are flocking to see the 18-feet Lord Ganesha idol at 1697 Oak Tree Road, enjoying soulful artists, cultural programs and community festivities. The celebration has attracted numerous dignitaries and members of the Indian diaspora, including Padma Shri recipient Dr. Sudhir Parikh. Darshan is open daily 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekends. Watch the highlight.
शन्नो देवीरभिष्टयापो भवन्तु पीतये संयोरभिश्रवन्तु नः स्योना पृथिविनो भवानक्षरानिवेशनी यच्छानः शर्वसप्रधाः नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो भ्रातेभ्यो भ्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गृत्सेभ्यो गृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमः उत्तिष्ठ तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु उत्तिष्ठ तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु उत्तिष्ठ तिष्ठ गोविन्द उत्तिष्ठ गरुडध्वज उत्तिष्ठ कमलाकान्त त्रैलोक्यं मङ्गलं कुरु। बोल श्री गजानन गणपति महाराज की। ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां सब लोग हाथ लगाइए एक दूसरे को ईश्वरी सर्वभूतानां तामिहोता वै श्री अम्मा छोटे से गणेश जी को भी पुष्प चढ़ाना है तो करी ही सब लोग पुष्प माला को हाथ लगा लीजिए बोल श्री गजानन गणपति महाराज की मंगलमूर्ति। भगवान के सामने भगवान की जितनी बड़ी प्रतिमा है उतना ही बड़ा मोदक रखा है तो सब लोग all of you make the curtain on your right by left hand and we are offering food by the right hand. जमना की दादा ने जमाड़वाना છે ભગવાનની સામે મોટો મોદક છે આપણે ભાવ કરીએ બધા જ ઉમિયા પરિવારના सदस्यों पर भाव से अपने अंदर पर मंदिर में भगवान गणपति दादा के नित्य प्रतिष्ठित क्या पर भोग चढ़ावे थे ओम राय स्वाहा ओम सुंदराय दिगंबराय दिगंबराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय गणपति शरण सर्वाविद प्रभुवे आनंद मूर्ति भगवान हरि नमः भगवान विदा तुम्हें Thank you. देखिए जिनके पास आरती की थाली है सब लोग पापा को राइट हैंड से दाहिने हाथ से आरती दीजिए। आयुरारोग्यता सिद्धिर्धमात्मा निरंजनम चक्षुर्वंदनम महम दिक्षुर्वंदनम महम। आपको एक मिनट के समय लेशु वर्णन करो आरती आखा मंडप था एक एक आरती पहुंचाओ। कौन एक for today, only for today the आरती another time। जिनको भी भगवान गणेश की पूजा अर्चना करनी है टेम्पल की ओर से पूजा।
So, or obviously general election is coming in November and मैं भारतीयों को सभी भारतीयों से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज़ रजिस्टर फॉर द वोटिंग। हमें ज़्यादातर भारतीयों रजिस्ट्रेशन ही नहीं कराते और बाद में नवंबर आ जाता है और बाद में हम जो डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस है दुनिया का अमेरिका का सबसे बड़ा डेमोक्रेटिक प्रोसेस है जहां हम अपने उम्मीदवार को नहीं चूज कर पाते। इसलिए I will request everybody as soon as you get a chance, please register for the vote. I will request Honorable Mr. Sam Joshi to say a few words as well.
बोलो गणपति दादा की। I'm so humbled and honored to be here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Umiya Temple, for having me. I'm here with someone who is also running for council. Her name is Kelly Dima. Kelly Dima in Unamja. And Chilla 4 વર્ષથી આપણે બહુ કામ કર્યું છે એડિસનમાં and આપણે બધા parks કર્યા છે, આપણે roads change કર્યા છે, but there is nothing like Oak Tree Road. And what we want to do in Oak Tree Road is make sure that our Indian community, our South Asian community is thriving. And when I come here, I'm so proud that our Umiya Temple has grown so much and it is a staple of Oak Tree Road. See, તમે જઈ બી જાઓ આખા દુનિયામાં જાઓ ત્યારે બધાને Oak Tree Road ખબર છે કે Oak Tree Road is Little India, and that's something that we should be very proud of. And I'll give you an example of when we've shown that our strength comes together as a community. છેલ્લા 2-3 વર્ષથી બહુ ક્રાઇમ થતું હતું, બહુ હોમ ઇન્વેઝન્સ થતા હતા, બર્ગલરીઝ થતા હતા, પણ આપણું community ભેગું થયું, Indian community ભેગું થયું અને કીધું કે no, we have to put an end to this. And I spoke out and I said to the whole state, let's make sure that we change the laws because our community, the Desi community, is getting impacted by this the most. And I had my courage from each of you. And at Tamara Lidij, I went to the state and I said, okay, let's make sure that we change the law. And we did. Governor Murphy came last fall in October and changed the law because of this community. And since then, you haven't heard about home invasions or burglaries anymore. And હું કેમ હમણાં કહું છું? કેમ કે આપણી તાકાત બતાવવી પડે. અત્યારે હમણાં એ છે. આપણે ભેગા થયા છે. And we are celebrating holy occasions, auspicious occasions. But મને યાદ છે હું નાનો હતો ત્યારે એક રામ મંદિર હતું અને એટલું જ. બીજું કાંઈ એક બી નહોતું મંદિર. There was only one temple, and actually that was the first temple in the state of New Jersey, Ram Mandir in Metuchen. And now we've expanded so much, and as a community, we should be very proud of this. They should also know where we came from. You only know where you're going if you know where you came from. I know the struggles of this community. What we have gone through. But our culture, our religion, everything, you should know it. The kids right now, they should know how proud they should be of being Indian American here. When I first became mayor, I said that it's probably going to take 2 terms in order to make sure that Oak Tree Road is known around the world and make sure that it's beautiful looking. And so I said in order to do that, we have to make sure that a lot of Indian companies from India, big major corporations, including jewelry stores, grocery store, or some retailers, they have to invest specifically in Oak Tree Road. And in I was working with Governor Murphy on making sure that these investments can come to Oak Tree Road. And I'm very proud to say that in 3 weeks, I am going with Governor Murphy to India to meet Prime Minister Modi, and we are signing 12 major corporations that are going to be investing right here in Edison and on Oak Tree Road. On September 19th, I will be at Prime Minister Modi's residence, and we're going to sign a bunch of deals so that Oak Tree Road gets benefited. And I can't imagine how proud all of us can possibly be more than this, because we have come so far as a community, and now the government of India is going to recognize our entire community. And again, I am only here because of each of you, but I will continue making sure that I make Edison and this community very proud. Thank you for having me here today. Umiya Mata ki!
Hey